Alright, so today we have all the cool cars that we collected. Well, not collected, but I'm gonna give you a tour. We had people hopping, and we got that. This is a $1.6 million car, I believe. And then this is a $2 million car, I believe. It's amazing. It goes 270. Well, yep. And then this is a cool car. We know that. And then this is the SVG. I don't know. But look at that. And then we got this right here. This is a cool car. I'm not lying. And then this. And then we got this Cadillac right here. A limo. It's cool.